Good morning, students. So today we are going to discuss about how to calculate the probability for completing a particular project for the given due date. For that, we need to analyze a table known as normal distribution table. This is a pick I took from a Clark's table. Clark's table കേട്ടിട്ടുണ്ടാവും in 12th and all. So no need to buy that particular book. അത് മേടിക്കണമെങ്കിൽ മേടിക്കാം. It's only cost 9 rupees. Otherwise, you take the printout of this particular page. This you can take for your exam also. Because ഇതിൽ നിന്നുമാണ് you need to calculate the due date probability. Okay, so in the last classes we discussed about PERT and CPM, and there we got the project duration for completing the particular project. Now if they demand for completing that particular project on another given date, അവർ പറയുന്ന ഒരു particular due date complete ചെയ്യാനാണെങ്കിൽ what is the chance of completing that particular project? If that question arises, we need the help of this particular table. Okay, so I'll explain you how to take the value from this table. അതിനുശേഷം next slide problem എങ്ങനെയാ കാണുന്നതെന്നുള്ളതും പറഞ്ഞുതരാം. Okay, so once again I will explain in detail. അതായത് if you got the project duration as 20, നിങ്ങൾക്ക് last answer കിട്ടിയിരിക്കുന്നത് 20 ആണ്. ആ 20ൽ നിന്നും if they demand to complete that project in 25 days, 25 ദിവസത്തിനുള്ളിൽ complete ചെയ്യണം എന്ന് പറയുവാണെങ്കിൽ എങ്ങനെ കണ്ടുപിടിക്കും എന്നുള്ളതാണ്. So there we are using a particular formula that I explained next slide like explain ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ട്. The formula we are using is Z is equal to T minus TE by sigma. ആ T എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് the due date, what they demanded, അവർ 25 എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു. TE means the expected time what we calculated at the end. അതായത് 20 എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞ് നമുക്ക് കിട്ടിയില്ലേ, that is our TE. So T minus TE divided by sigma. Sigma stand for what? Standard deviation. Sometimes instead of standard deviation you may get variance. Variance means sigma square is known as variance. But we know actually we don't know we don't want the variance value. We need what? Standard deviation. Suppose variance have been given to you, you must take the square root of variance to get what? Standard deviation. Another 9 is given as variance, 3 is your standard deviation. Is it clear? Okay, after substituting these T and TE and sigma in the formula, that is Z is equal to T minus TE by sigma, there you will be getting a particular Z value. Simply assume that it is 2.43. Okay, 2.43 anengil, what you have to do here is take this table 2.43. See, you can see the left side, a particular column has been given as Z value. So whatever value you will be getting as Z after substituting the given data, that is T, TE, sigma substitution കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട്, what is your answer എന്നുള്ളത് check ചെയ്യുക. If your Z value is 2.43, what you have to do is take 2.4 in the left side or the first column of Z. Z നെ കണ്ടോ തന്നിരിക്കുന്നുണ്ടോ 2.4 കാണുന്നുണ്ടോ നിങ്ങൾ 2.4? yes, yes, 2.4. only 2 digits have been given in the Z value. After that it is 2.43. 43 means 0.03 you have to calculate. 0.03 is given in the top columns. I think it is in 4th column. See, 0.03. Now you just meet the point at the intersection of the row and column. 2.4 ന്റെയും 0.03 ന്റെയും intersection ഒന്ന് നോക്കിക്കേ. What is the value given there? Yes, it is 0.4925. Okay, understood how to get the value from this normal curve. Is that value കിട്ടുന്നത് എങ്ങനെയാണെന്ന് മനസ്സിലായോ? Another example, if your question is, if your Z value is 1.05, 1.05 ആണെങ്കിൽ what you have to select here? 1.0. See the third set you can see 1.0 in the first column of Z. 1.0 ൽ നിന്നും 0.05 check ചെയ്യുക. What is your 0.05 value? 0.05 means the 7th column. See, 0s 0.01, 0.02, 0.03, 0.04 and 0.05 is given. So 1.05 means it is the intersection of 1.0 and 0.05. What it is? It is 0.3531. Clear? Now another example. If it is 0.38. 0.38 means what? It is 0.3. 0.3 you have to select and 0.08 in the column wise. 0.3 in the row and 0.08 in the column wise. What it is? 0.3 and what comes in 0.08? It is 0.1480. Okay, and sometimes you may get a negative value for Z. For example, z is equal to 1.73. Okay, 1.73. 1.73 minus z is equal to minus 1.73. Upon negative angle, we have all the positive values here. That means always area in the positive value. Even if you get the negative value for z, still the area is what it becomes positive z. But z is equal to minus 1.17 anengilum. What is your value? No, what I said is 1.7. എന്തായിരുന്നു ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞത് മറന്നുപോയി. 1.75 ആണ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ എങ്കിൽ minus 1.75 ആണെങ്കിൽ പോലും you have to take 1.75 itself. Positive 1.75 എടുക്കണം even if your value is negative. So 1.7 in the row wise and 0.05 in the column. So 1.75 means what? It is 0.4599. Is it clear? Actually, positive negative table value construct there is no difference. Exactly for positive as well as negative. But after doing final probability if it is negative, we have to do another calculation that I will explain in the next slide. Okay, so hope it's clear for you and okay, so take after this lockdown you take printout of this particular pic. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you.